de-armouring was surprisingly powerful, to just receive touch and presence in a way that allowed for beautiful, cathartic, emotional releases. And the full body orgasm really surprised me, because I've grown up with a relationship with my body where I felt disassociated from it, it felt numb, and there was this sense of like, why can't I feel pleasure? That experience opened me up to feeling pleasure everywhere in my body, and not necessarily having it needing to be orgasmic, just opening up, surrendering, receiving. It was, again, a whole, it was like meeting my body for maybe the first time.